Hi all, let's create this Deepika Padukone's red sari makeup look. It is a very simple, classy and elegant makeup look which we can create with whatever products are available at home. Let's get started. Starting with skincare, I'll be using this niacinamide from Tony Moly. Gently tapping this into the skin as I am facing little breakouts in my face recently. So this will help me control oil and also breakout. Using moisturizer from Face Shop. This is in dry ceramide. As you can see, I have taken a good generous amount of quantity of moisturizer, prepping up my skin really well. While waiting for the moisturizer to settle down, let's do the eyebrows. I'm using this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills Brows. In this makeup look, we will not overdo anything. We just want to keep everything as minimalist. Using the corrector from Huda Beauty. Since the time I started using this product, I'm not able to switch to any other product. The way this is performing, it's outstanding and doesn't make your skin feel very heavy. That's the best part. Using the concealer from NARS. I hope you're able to see how a very less amount of the product is able to give me a good coverage. With NARS, I have noticed that the lesser you use, the better the results are. If you use a lot of product under the eye, because of the texture, the creamy thick texture this has, it starts to crease or it starts looking cakey. Foundation I'm using from Maybelline Superstay. I am a big fan of Maybelline foundations. I was a big fan of Fit Me. The foundation I've used for so many years and a very good daily to wear foundation, and then when I started using the Superstay, I've become a big fan of this as well. Somehow all the foundations I've used from Maybelline have always performed really well for me, knowing that I have very oily skin. The coverage this foundation gives is sometimes better than even the luxury foundations which are in the market, which are so highly priced. That's another reason I like this foundation, and also it settles so well in the skin, giving it a natural glowy radiant skin. I love the way this takes no time to settle down on the skin and this gives you a very even fresh looking skin immediately. Using the translucent setting powder from Makeup Forever. This setting powder is so thin and fine in nature, guys. You will see as I'm blending in the brush, it is all over my face and it's flying all over. So today I have chosen this palette from Too Faced. We'll be using this shade from here. This is a reddish brownish kind of shade which will be perfect for this makeup look we were trying to create. I'm blending this into my crease and the other parts of the eyelid. Let's do this eye and then take a call if this is working out fine or do we make it a little darker. Deepika Padukone's look is always about big dramatic eyeliners, right? And to achieve that kind of eyeliner look, I think this pen is the best you can use. This is from Revlon. As you see, there's a long applicator here which helps with a very defined look. I have created this eyeliner using this pen and it was so easy. Using the same brown in my lower waterline, a very light application of it. Mascara, today I am using the one from Huda Beauty. Taking the wand right from the roots of my lashes and then extending it towards the outside. every hairstand is finely defined. And then I want to apply the edges of my lashes to make the lashes look long, defined and curled. For bronzer, I'll be using the one from Revolution. This is a very highly pigmented bronzer. I usually like to take this back of my hand before taking the brush directly on my cheek. A very light bronzing is required as per the picture we've seen. Taking a smaller brush to apply bronzer on the nose. She has a blush, no blush kind of look on her face, for which I thought this blush from Patricia will be best. This is in the shade Not Too Much. Just applying on the apple of the cheek. This is a very beautiful peachy nude shade, I think, which will suit all skin tones. I'm using a highlighter from NARS. Using this highlighter from NARS palette. A very less amount of it. Lip liner is from Makeup Forever and it's in the shade Endless Cacao. For lipstick, I'm using this one from MAC. This is in the shade Spice World. Using another color on top of this lipstick. This one is from NARS in the shade Bahama.
This is my final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You tried recreating Deepika Padukone's red sari makeup look. This is a very simple look. Anybody can achieve this at home with available products. It will not take much time. You can recreate this look to attend any family wedding or friend's wedding or even for Diwali if you like it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit on the thumbs up button, and if not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. Until my next one.